want to just make a short video about the old iPhone X. I was trying to install an app this morning, but it wouldn't let me because it said my iOS needed to be upgraded. This phone's pretty modern in terms of it can do most things, but it's the Apple iOS software isn't updated to the latest version. So if you want a phone for just regular phone calls and basic internet surfing, this should be fine. An iPhone X. Granted, the battery might be not that great after 6-7 years. But again, if you want to use some of the latest apps, it's at that point where it's not supported anymore. So consider that if you're deciding to buy a used iPhone, don't get an iPhone X. So far, I think the iPhone XS is kind of supported. Let me go over here. This is my XS Max, and it goes up to iOS 18 right now. I'm not sure which version we're at right now. I think 19 is coming up, and probably this can't run 19. But over here on my iPhone 10, it's 2 versions older. You can see it's an iPhone 16, iOS 16. So, again, I just wanted to make a short video about this because I was trying to install some apps and it wouldn't let me. It said the OS was too old. So keep that in mind. Even though, I know quite a lot of people with iPhone X's and it runs pretty well, but now this is part of obsolescence. You just can't use it. So if you're wanting to use a phone that can run the latest apps, unfortunately, iPhone X is out of the picture since it's stuck on iOS 16. Keep that in mind. Again, if you don't need the latest apps, you should be fine using an old iPhone X. Granted, the battery might not be that great. Over and out.